Hi everyone, my name is Paolo and I'm here to tell you all the secrets of PubCoder. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pan and zoom object. The pan and zoom image object is a special object whose picture can be dragged to reveal hidden areas and enlarged by the end user by double-clicking or pinching with fingers on mobile devices. To insert the object within the page, we drag it from the object window. To insert the image inside the object, we simply enter the selection window and click on the plus. We can place the image from the asset library, directly from our computer, or download it from the web. Let's insert an image we got from the web. We click on Import Image from the internet and choose the one we like from the Unsplash window that pops up. Now we will find out what the properties of the pan and zoom object are, in addition to the standard properties that apply to the image object. Let's scroll down in the selection panel to the pan and zoom image item. There are two items. The first one is Enable Pan. This allows the end user to drag the image with their finger or mouse. The second one is Enable Zoom and allows the end user to zoom by double-clicking or pinching with fingers on a mobile device. The last one then has two other properties called the max zoom that the end user can reach while zooming the image, and the double click step that defines the amount of zoom to be added and subtracted when the user double clicks the image. Let's see a preview of the object. As you can see, I can uncover or zoom the rest of the hidden image by moving the mouse left and right or down or up.